the directive by the Supreme Court, the NEET re-examination 2024 took place on 23rd June. These were for those students who were given grace marks. There were about 1,563 students who were given an option whether they want to give a re-examination or they want to go back to the original marks, as the grace marks that were given to them in the first place stands withdrawn. Now, yesterday there were about 813 students who appeared for this NEET re-examination in 7 cities in the country. Approximately 700 students decided to not give the re-examination. So there were about 52% of the students who appeared for the re-examination, whereas there were 49% students who decided not to give a re-examination of NEET UG. Now, why was this particular directive that came from the Supreme Court? Remember, when on June 4th the result of the NEET examination 2024 came out, there was a huge controversy that was surrounding the grace marks. There were a number of students who got grace marks because in some of the centers there were delayed question paper that was given to them. There were some technical issues in some of the centers, and due to which a number of students wasted a lot of their time, around half an hour to 40 minutes. To compensate this wasted time, the NTA at that point decided to give these students grace marks, due to which with the grace marks and with their original marks, some of the students were able to score over 700. Some of them were able to score even 719 out of 720, and this is something that is very rare. This has not happened before, and that is why around 64 students were able to top the examination of NEET UG. Now, surrounding this controversy, a number of petitions were filed in Supreme Court. Ultimately, it was decided by the Supreme Court that the grace marks that was given to these 1,563 students stands withdrawn, and they will be given an option whether they want to give a re-examination or not. Now, yesterday was a re-examination that happened between 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. and around 813 students appeared for this examination, whereas 750 students decided to not give this re-examination. Now, when it comes to these 750 students who have decided not to give this re-examination, their original mark without the grace mark is something that will be calculated in the counselling session which is scheduled on 6th of July.